Good evening, everybody. It is 6:34 p.m. Central Standard Time, August 4th, 2026. So we got that 5.7 magnitude earthquake for Indonesia, just as calculated, at a depth of 22 miles. So we're at 2013 right now. So let's go over to Indonesia, right over Indonesia, and see what asteroid caused it. So here we have 2026 asteroid 2026 OA13. Take a screenshot for the thumbnail. Smash that like button, subscribe, leave me a comment if you have any questions in the comment box section. Tap the notification bell and switch it to all. And if you'd like to contribute to the channel, the donation link will be in the description of this video. You guys have a good night. I'll see you on the next update.